Here we have another Python data type, which is list. List basically a series of values. It can be very similar to array in the C programming. It's a array or series of values is called a list. A list can be declared by using brackets, open and close brackets. I'm going to declare a list over here. List equals open and close bracket. Now maybe we can print the list, which is an empty list. We can define that list with the elements into it, which something like list equals something it can have different data types like integer, and it can have a floating point, it can have a complex number, and it can have a string. Whenever we print that list, we have that different data types present in a series of values. A series of values can be any data type, integer, all integers, all floating point, all complex number, or it can be a mixture of different data types, which can also be a series of list can be defined accordingly. If suppose we wanted to create a list with the series of numbers, for example, list equals 12, 34, 45 and 56, and we can create a list of series of numbers over here, and we can create a different numbers, different floating points, different data types, and different like integer, complex and string, all mixed, can also be created as a list basically. And the list have multiple member functions that can be used to add an element, remove an element. Playing with that list, we have different member functions of the list. We can start with that. We have that option to add append. I'm going to append another integer is 78. Now if we print of list, the 78 is added at the end of the list. Previous list end is 56. The new element 78 is appended at the end of list. If suppose we wanted to insert a list into the list at some in between, this is 0th element, this is first element, this is second element, this is third element, this is fourth element, and we can insert that list element dot insert. I'm going to insert at the index to the value of something like 67, and if suppose I'm going to print the list has been added, the 67 is added at the index number 2, and the 45, which is earlier index number 2, has been shifted to 3, and the 67 is inserted into it over here. For example, we can play this with the strings as well. For example, list equals, maybe we can give something like a we can have something like a school, and then college, and then we have an office over here. maybe a school. After that we have then bachelor degree, and then we have an engineer in officer, and this is the sequence of it. And I'm going to print the list over here. If suppose somebody does the master in between, we wanted to add that information, we can add with the list dot insert at the index number 2, then I am going to add master over there. If we print the list, we get the option we got added with the master in between over here. And we can do that pop of list, something like we can get the pop, and the pop means the last end of element will be popped out from the list, and the list will become lesser, the last element will be popped out. If suppose we do pop again, the master will be popped out from the list, we will be getting only 2 elements in the list. If suppose we wanted to clear the list, I am going to do list dot clear, which provides something like all the elements present in the list will be get cleared over here. And maybe we can do that in the empty list. Maybe we can append an object again with the help of something like 12 is the integer I am going to append over here, and we can also append another number 34, and I am going to add 10 over here. And currently our list will be looks like this. If suppose all the elements which is present in the list, which can be sorted or reverse. For example, if you wanted to do the reverse, maybe we can do the reverse over here, and whenever we do print with the after reversing, we will be getting the first element will become a last element, the last element will become a first element. Like that, the list will be completely reversed accordingly. If suppose the list is having that the same data type like integers, then we can do the sorting, we can apply the sorting algorithm into that list with the help of list dot sort over here. And once the list got sorted, we will get that information something like it has been sorted in ascending order 10, 12, 34. Like that, it has been sorted in the ascending order. If suppose we wanted to sort that in the reverse manner, we can do key equals none, and then reverse equals true. Whenever we do reverse equal to true, then the list will be sorted in the descending order. We can able to check with the information like the list has been created with the descending order. 34 is the maximum number which is present in the list, and then 12 and then 10. Like that, it will get sorted out over here, and we can get the size of the list with the help of list dot underscore len of the function. That will gives that list of the len. For example, if suppose we added another one append of something like 67 is added, if suppose we get the list length, now it will become 4 as the 67 is added at the end of the list. Basically, that similar way we have the option to remove the list with the value. For example, if you wanted to remove that 67 from the list, we can give the value so that will be removed from the list. If after removing, if you put a print of the list, 67 got removed from that particular list. This is based on the value present in the list. Based on that, we can remove the remove it from the list. The same way we can do that something kind of extending the list. For example, we have the option, another one, list 2 contains something like maybe 56 comma 78 comma 89 is the another list. If suppose we wanted to extend this list, we can do that with the extend, and I'm going to give list 2 over here. Now if we print the list got extended. 34, 12, 10 is the previous elements, and the list 2 elements 56, 78 and 89 got added into the list over here. And we can do that something like another functions called clear. For example, if suppose we wanted to clear that all the elements which is present in the list, once we done that clear, the list will become empty. There is no elements present in the list. And we have another option, something we can have it something like a pop, reverse and remove, all those things that we can do that with the value. And for example, if suppose we wanted to do the copy of the list, we can do the copy. For example, we have the list over here, print of list 2, and we wanted to copy the complete content over there. For that, I'm going to create a list 1. In that, I'm going to do list 2 dot copy. Now if we print the list 1, we get that copied that complete list 2 contents to the list 1 over here, and it got created the copy of one list to the another one, that it will get created over here with the help of list 2 dot copy. Basically, the list will be a series of elements that can be used. It can be used to have one particular data type. Then it can be like a one person's marks, or it can be like that. And we can, it is not list is not limited with the single dimensional. We can create a multi-dimensional list as well. For example, list equals something like, I'm going to give the name. For example, I'm going to give if suppose I have the elements with the fruits, orange, apple, and then we have an grapes over here, and then the respective another one has the value, something like the price, it is maybe orange maybe 60 rupees, and apple can be 160 rupees, and grapes can be 130 rupees over here, which basically does, if suppose we do the list which provides all the information, and in order to access that the first list, you can do that list of 0, which provides the first list and first array. And if suppose we wanted to do list of 1, that provides the second of the price list 60, 160, 130. And it does not need to be the same number of elements. It can be added with different elements. For example, list of 1, I'm going to append something like 200, I'm going to append. If suppose we do the list and we got the value, the first element of the complete array has the three elements, orange, apple and grapes, and the second series of values has the 4 elements. Like that, we can do that optimization, or do that design the list according to our need of Python programming.